In today's video, I'm going to go somewhere I don't really want to go, into the mind of Salvador Dalí. He once said,
"Only difference between one crazy people and Dali is not crazy.
So that's somewhat reassuring, hearing it from the man himself. Today I'm going to be looking at not his most famous painting. As you can see on the screen here, this one's entitled The Persistence of Memory, and he painted this in 1931, and this is probably one of the most recognisable works in all of Surrealism. But what I'm going to be looking at today, I'm going to be looking at the Disintegration of the Persistence of Memory. Now, as you can see, it's a follow-on work which he'd done many years later in 1954, and it's been talked about and looked at. And what does it really represent? Well, basically, some people think it's the breakdown of matter into atoms, because Dali got really into his science and that type of thing, and he just revisited the painting and did that. And as you can see, the clocks get smashed, and you've got all these little squares which represent almost like missiles firing off into the distance. I think this is a lot more interesting. So today I'm going to try and go into his mind and try and channel my inner Dali and actually make this in silver. I'm going to do a 3D print of it, and I'm going to do some sandcasting. So come along with me over to the shed now and see if I can make a Salvador Dalí masterpiece in my garden shed. In solid silver, of course.
only difference between one crazy people and Dali is not crazy.